Hi, meron tayong parcel dito from IKEA. Kanina pa siya dumating pero ngayon ko lang siya i-unbox. Dapat bukas pa kaso excited na ako. So, let's do this tonight. Hello, you guys. Kakagising ko lang. And guess what arrived today? May MacBook. So, kunin natin siya sa lobby. So excited. So, I guess kaya siya dalawa. Isang MacBook and isang earbuds because we got the student discount. Meron tayong free earbuds and so I was for purchasing the MacBook. This is MacBook Air. So pretty. This is my black phone next to the midnight blue. Can you see the difference? Pero navy nga siya. More on navy blue talaga siya. Hindi siya black. So I guess yung phone case ng 16 Pro Max is like midnight din. Parang more on navy din siya. So parang mas malapit yung kulay niya dito kaysa sa black. Just for reference. Ang bango. May naamoy yung pagkabagong gadget. Ano to? It's so nice. It's so pretty. Sobrang linaw ng colors, love. Ang ganda. The only reason we bought this is DaVinci Resolve. Ayan. Pag-aaralan natin yan. Kaya tayo download. Kaya tayo bumili. Install. We are now officially a MacBook girly. MacBook girly. Who's that? Who's that? Ito? Galing. Wow, sit! Galing.
Ano, ang ganda ng quality niya. Oh my God. Ay, parang ang cute niya. Yeah.
I think we're going for this one. Pero, two-seater lang. So, like, up to here. And then, black leather siya. Kasi we have dogs. I mean, this color is nice. Pero, we have dogs. And, hindi siya leather. Baka maihian, madumihan. And we're also clumsy. So, I think a leather material would be perfect for us. The black one as well. Looks elegant. I was thinking it would look like something like this, pero yung natatanggal to. And yeah, square lang siya, or like rectangle.
Got this. Mami's ka na ba yung mockingbird?
Guess what arrived today? So, na kami! We got the black leather kasi baka matapunan namin ng kung ano, or baka maihian ng dogs. Mas madali siyang linisin kumpara kapag tela. Sana lang tumagal yung leather. Sit! You wait. Go. Good boy. Who's that? Who's that Pokemon? Who's that Pokemon?